In this video, I'm going to show you how to put in windshield wiper fluid in a 2019 Subaru Outback. The first step you need to do is open up the hood. On the driver's side, on the left, down by the pedals, there is a lever. There is an icon of a hood. You're going to go ahead and pull that lever towards you and you'll hear a click. That's a cable release and it's going to elevate the hood. Put your hand in right above the Subaru emblem and you're gonna feel a lever right here that opens up the latch, disconnects it, hood opens up. The windshield wiper fluid is gonna be right here next to the battery. Pop this open. And then pour away. It holds about 1 gallon. All right, perfect. 1 gallon in, and that's how you fill it up. Just go ahead and cover that so you don't get debris inside it, and you're all done. In the next video, I'm probably going to show you how to clean this up. Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful for you.